Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do it is to go ahead and open up the emoji picker. So in Windows, click on your Windows key plus period. Now that's going to open up emojis and more. Then from here, we want to come over and find the bullet points. So just give me a second to find this. So yeah, if we scroll down from the home where the love heart here's in the square most recently used, keep scrolling past GIF. If we go to symbols, here's your bullet points here. So we've got two different ones to pick from. We can click on the little arrow and find more as well. So you can find the bullet points along here and others as well. So you can see here. And now what we can do is go ahead and click on Control Z and V, or we can highlight it all and scroll down, and then you can go ahead and add in your data.